So today we dug out this sewer line and I put a double clean out in because the sewer keeps backing up. It makes kind of a funky turn outside, and I don't know exactly what it's doing yet, but I'm going to camera it in a little while. But we just cut that in and broke up the floor, and we're going to put some concrete back here in a little while. I think the problem is out here in the parking lot, so we'll get to that in a little while.